In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to fix a common Squarespace issue encountered by many users. This rule is conflicting with an existing DNS record while domain forwarding. First things first, you need to access your domain's dashboard. This might seem complicated, but it's actually a simple process. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're securely logged in, direct your attention towards the Settings option in the main menu, and then continue to Domains. This is where you can manage all the domains linked to your Squarespace account. The next task requires you to identify and select the particular domain that has been serving an error. By simply clicking on the specific domain name, you can open a wealth of settings and information related to it, which should hold the key to addressing your problem. After selecting the problematic domain, now you have to navigate yourself towards the DNS settings or Manage Domain Settings. You might be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons, or perhaps even re-authenticate your account. Don't worry, this is normal and is a feature designed to keep your website and associated settings secure. With the DNS settings now openly laid out in front of you, it's time to identify the conflicting records. You need to scroll down until you locate the Custom Records section. In this area, you have to closely examine any existing records classified as A, AA, alias, or CNAME. Look for any records that have the same value in the host column, like @ or www, as the forwarding rule you're trying to add. Once you've identified the conflicting records, you need to delete them. This can be easily done by clicking on the red trash can icon laying next to them. This step needs to be executed with precision, as these can impact your domain's functioning. After the deletion of all conflicting records, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Save option to confirm and finalize the deletion. Without this step, your efforts might go in vain, as the deletion wouldn't be permanent. Now that the conflicting records have been taken care of, it's time to recreate your domain forwarding rule. This can be done by navigating back to your domain settings. Simply click on the domain name and then select Website. With the forwarding rule needing to be reset, you should now scroll down until you reach the domain forwarding section. Here, click on the Add Rule option. This will let you establish a fresh rule for your domain, hence reset any prior issues. You're almost done. At this point, you need to input the full URL that you wish to forward to in the section that opens up after clicking on Add Rule. Finally, confirm by clicking Save, thereby enforcing the new domain forwarding rule. This should ideally resolve the conflicting rule error that you were encountering and give you peace of mind as you continue with your Squarespace operations.